Hi, Kabi Tingchoi, and welcome to Bangkok, Thailand. My name is Opal and I would like to welcome you to Bangkok, Thailand. Right now we're taking you to Wat Arun, one of the most iconic temple in Thailand. It is known as the Temple of Dawn. So if you're ready, join my journey and let's go! Alright, and here we are at Wat Arun, you guys, and join me! Tengkwa, this is my best friend. You can call her TK. She's from Bangkok, Thailand as well, and we are going to show you around this beautiful, magnificent temple. Let's go. And one more thing, you guys, if you're interested in coming to this temple, Wat Arun temple, I recommend you to come here early morning or late afternoon because of the weather. If you come in midday, you're gonna sweat like you can't take photos. But as you can see, there's a lot of people now because we're reaching our 5 o'clock in the afternoon already, and there's so many people dressing in Thai traditional dress for good photos because it's perfect for Instagram. Alright guys, if you look closer to the wall here, they are decorated in thousands and thousands of Chinese porcelain pieces. Beautiful decoration, you guys, throughout the whole pagodas. If you look at pagodas up there, it's 80 meters tall. Beautiful work. Is it really is a must-visit temple, guys. Guys, it's almost 5:30 p.m. in the afternoon and the weather is still super duper hot. So tips about coming to Thailand, you guys, that you drink plenty of water and don't forget your sunglasses and hats. Alright, let me go back and enjoy this drink. Cheers! Alright guys, let me tell you some fun fact. I was told that Kabi Tingchoi means good morning, and the name of this temple is Arun. It also means morning as well, so we are kind of related. And another thing, guys, some people consider this temple as Thailand's Eiffel Tower, alright? And I hope you're enjoying this video so far. Card. As you can see, a huge giant statue behind me. Usually if you come to Thailand, the temples, usually you see a lot of giants guarding the gate of the temple because they're here to protect the temple, prevent bad things from happening. Alright you guys, and I think I'm gonna end this video here at Wat Arun, and we're gonna head to the exciting Chinatown to try street food and take a lot of pictures, alright? Kabi Tingchoi, and welcome to Yaowarat, Chinatown. This is the most famous street food in Bangkok, you guys. It's a must visit, and it's almost 7 p.m. It's almost 7 p.m. at night. I'm super duper hungry right now. Let's have some seafood. Alright guys, this is one of my favorite seafood restaurants in Chinatown, and our friends are waiting inside. Let's go! Alright guys, our first two orders have arrived. Can you see? This is the grilled shrimps and the grilled squid. All right, we're not gonna start. No one's gonna start until we have all of our orders. Here we are, the third one. ขอบคุณค่ะ And this is what is this again?
Crab curry.
Forgot. No one remember. But this is our favorite in Thai. In
meat stir fry with curry powder.
stir fry crab meat stir fry with curry powder. In Thai we call
เนื้อปูผัดผงกะหรี่
เนื้อปูผัดผงกะหรี่ We only know the Thai name, right? All right. Let's wait for the last one. Right. Alright guys, we have all the dishes here to be ordered. Right, I'm gonna try the shell. Ta-da! Oh, still hot. Still hot. Right. This is actually my favorite. I'm gonna try. Fingers crossed because it's very hot. Oh.
อีกแล้ว
Hold on. Wait, more coming?
No.
Sorry, okay. Okay, look. Amazing. I think it needs the sauce. Some sauce here will be amazing. Alright guys, we're gonna dig in. And this is just a snack. We're gonna try a lot more here in Chinatown street food, alright? Let's Alright guys, next I'm taking you to the most famous Chinese dough in Chinatown. It's my most favorite. I always have this since I was a kid. I'm so excited to show you guys this one. So let's go.
อร่อยนะคะจะได้นะ Alright guys, before we reach the Chinese dough shop, we're gonna stop at this another famous dessert shop as well, which is like a bread topped with a sweet topping, and there's a variety of topping for you to choose. Alright, I'm gonna choose my favorite and show you what it looks like. Alright? Alright guys, here we have this yummy looking bread inside. There's a lot of topping here. You see, there's the chocolate topping, the Thai tea, and also butter. I think I should try the chocolate one. I'm gonna go with chocolate. Oh, okay. This is gonna be messy. They gave like a lot of topping, if you can see. Wow. Okay, now go. Cheers. How's my taste? Well, very sweet. If you have sweet tooth like me, I highly recommend this place, guys. Now I need to wipe my mouth. Right guys, this is the place just right in front of 7-Eleven, and they make it fresh. I'll show you inside, come. This is how they make it, guys. Fresh from the pan.
So he chopped it and he fried it, right?
เก็บเป็นที่ได้นานไปนะ4-5 วันแช่ฟรีซไปเลยจะดีกว่า200นะได้แช่ฟรีซไปเลยมันแข็งไปเลยถ้าจะกินก็เอามาจุ่มน้ำแป๊บนึงวางทิ้งไว้จะ
Alright guys, here we have the Chinese dough. I'll show you inside. Very hot, just came out of the pan. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like hot. A little bit. So how you have it, this is the dipping sauce. They're too tight, but this is the pandan sauce one. I really like this one. Okay, I'm gonna open this. That's how you have it. You dip. Ooh. Wow. Oh, okay, it's really hot. Just like my childhood dessert, guys. I love this. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and it is my honor to be a guest of Kabi Tingchoi channel. And one more thing you guys, I am also a YouTuber hosting a channel called Street Wander. This is my channel showing you more places in Bangkok, because today what I show you, this is just a little tiny bit of Bangkok. So if you want to see more Bangkok, you can check out my channel Street Wander. Alright, until then I will see you in the next one. Bye. But Chinese dough is another one. Alright, okay guys, can I start now? Can I start?